Oh yes. It's here! It's here, it's here, it's here, it's here, it's here, it's here. It's here! Yes! Right. You cold? Can we turn the lights off, please? We're going to do proper lights.
Cinematic.
You excited, mate? He's very excited. Get off my desk.
I thought it was a good thumbnail, sorry. Press on there, look. For a picture.
Jay, what's this?
What are you doing?
Right, I've been really, come on mate, you're gonna have to move. You sit on there. Really excited about this. So, what a lot of people don't see behind the scenes of YouTube is stuff like this. So, I might have put it in the title, I might not have done, but this is a good camera. It's like one of the best you can get, isn't it, mate? So, we're gonna do a bit of unboxing and show it you. Can I have the knife? Do you want to unbox it or shall I?
You can.
Oh, it's like Christmas. So this is a Sony, wait for it, A7Siii. And if you're a camera person, which I apparently now am, it's like the best of the best of the best. Huge thanks to a few people who I spoke to as well about getting the right lens and things like that. But this is the lens, I presume. And this is the body. So we're gonna get straight into it. Basically, this was like nearly $6 grand. It was a lot of money, probably more money than we really wanted to spend on a camera.
Let's move the knife.
No need to get into it. But really, like my logic is, you think we're a bit mad, don't you?
No, not mad. I just want to know how you've come to the conclusion to buy that one.
Because I'm one of those people who, if I'm gonna invest heavily monetary-wise into something, which we've done, that's going to make me want to learn a lot more about filmmaking, about making better videos.
Interesting.
So that is the logic.
So how many cameras have you got now?
We've got a few.
And let's just go through, like when you first started, who did you...
The best camera to start with YouTube is your phone.
Oh, right.
So that's that. Right, that's the body. This is the AS7 as we've said. Still can't believe I'm saying that. And the funny thing is, I was never a camera person. Even when we got into YouTube, better not do that towards me. Yeah. Even when we got into YouTube, but then you kind of, I don't know, you see what other people use, you see all the reviews online. Even this, like I never thought I'd get really excited over a lens, but look at that.
Jameson's so interesting.
So for me, like the camera was, the body was I feel horrible talking money, but people won't hear it, like 3,000 something 100. The lens itself was over £2,000.
Now, do you not think that's ridiculous?
I do, but I'm hoping that it's really going to help. We've got some really cool videos coming, not just on this channel, but on my golf channel as well. We've got a big series coming.
Jameson's just really making...
Big series coming. Can we put him down in case he knocks it? Please.
That way.
Thanks. We've got some big series coming, not just on this channel, but across both channels. What's that, the receipt?
Let's see if you were telling the truth. Yeah, you were.
Yeah. What does it say exactly?
3,799.
Yeah.
Body. And 2,099.
Yeah.
But you did get a 5% discount.
I did, that's why I got it from there. I was going to get it from Jessop's. This isn't a paid advert or anything, but I got it from Parks Cameras because they gave me a discount on the lens. Can I have the knife again, please? Thank you ever so much. Right. So basically I'm going to show you this camera in this video, and hopefully you'll all see a bit of a change in the quality. I'm not going to say that's going to come straight away. I'm going to enroll myself on some online courses.
My dad once did one of them.
Yeah, and I just think it'll be something fun for us to maybe do together as well. And you know what? My logic with this is I've made over 1,000 YouTube videos now across 2 channels.
Yeah.
And I've been using a camera which is, I'll face it, the M50 was good, but it's basically a beginner's camera. So I thought, why not treat yourself? It's the end of the business year. And check that out. Oh,
it's a bit like, it looks like a classic camera, doesn't it? You know, like old school.
got a big old handle on it, hasn't it? How cool is that?
Ooh.
I thought it might have a film on the face, but it hasn't, has it? Anyway.
Only because you like peeling them off.
Yeah, I do. I've got a thing for that, haven't I? Right. Body. Strap. No.
Don't you like a strap on?
Nope. And we're cutting that out. Charger. There. Plug for the charger. There. Where's the battery? Is the battery in it? No, battery's here. I'll keep that as well. I always like to keep boxes for stuff like that. And I've got it kind of insured as well, you know, in case when I hopefully don't drop it. But
how much was the insurance?
that's through a different person, the insurance.
Oh, right.
Help if I knew how to put the battery in, wouldn't it? There we go. Oh, even that feels like premium. Close. Right, that's the body. Probably needs charging, by the way, as well. So, what are your thoughts on this? How, like, does that do anything
to be
for
honest,
you?
it looks really cool. Like, you know, like what you imagine those clicky ones that you like wind up.
Yeah.
It's quite cool, isn't it?
So that was good. Do you want to do the honours with that?
Yeah. So is this like the recommended one with this?
Yeah, so that's a 16 to 35, so it should be fairly wide angle. And I spoke to a guy called Ryan Metcalf who's on YouTube. He's really helped me with that.
Are you going to get your warranty on this?
Yes, I'm going to get the warranty on that. 1 year extended, perfect. And I've spoke to a few others as well.
That's a lovely camera bag.
That's just for the lens?
That is just the lens.
That's a big old lens, isn't it?
Oh. It's a big old lens.
It is a very big old lens, right.
And I do see my fair share of photographers' equipment, I'm not going to lie, when they're chopping and changing at weddings. James, that's like ridiculously heavy.
Massive,
you know?
isn't it?
Sure it even fits on there?
Right, wow. Wow. First of all, we'll take you off there. I've got a knack for losing those as well, so I want to be really careful with that. And then you can go off there. And now you, there. And we're on.
I mean, that just looks stupid. You're going to be an absolute...
Oh, imagine trying to hold that. English. See, it's touchscreen as well. Best put an SD card in it as well, that's probably the best. Luckily, we have a couple on hand. 128, that should do it.
I do beg my pardon.
Jesus.
It's been a very exciting day, everyone.
Yeah, we've also picked a kitchen.
Kitchen today.
So if anyone does, there we go. Low battery, needs charging. I mean, it could have...
As good as all these unboxings are.
Wow, look how wide angle that goes. That is incredible, isn't it? So it's not great for a zoom, but that's fine. That's exactly what we wanted. So if anyone does know any really good kind of online camera courses for things like this, then get in the comments below and let us know. We've made the plunge now, so we need to learn properly how to use them. I know there'll be people watching this video cringing, saying you've spent all that money on a camera, you don't need to. You can make great, and you absolutely can make great YouTube videos, make great content with a phone, with a Canon 80D, with a Canon M50 like we're on now. But I thought I owed it to myself and to you guys to kind of take a plunge, try and make some better content. So many people who I speak to use these and they say they're absolutely fantastic, not just for indoor but for outdoor.
It's interesting that you say you owed it to yourself.
Why?
Why is that though?
Because I feel like I've worked hard enough to get to a point where there's an audience there and I want to be proud of what I'm... Why? Do you not feel like we have?
No, because I don't like to spend money, so I'm the opposite.
Yeah, but it's a business decision, it's not I haven't done it for the laugh. So, yeah, I feel like I owe it myself, I feel like I owe it you guys, because I want to put out the very best content I possibly can, and this is potentially going to help. So we've got a couple of great videos coming very soon.
Because you've got a lot of videos before you recoup $5,000 then.
It's nearly 6, but anyway. And apart from that, that was a little bit of an unboxing of the Sony.
Can you put the other lenses on it?
No, it's the Canon.
Oh.
This is a Sony.
Sony, yeah.
So you can probably get an adapter. But
connection.
guys, there we go. Thank you so much for watching. I'll let you lead them out, Laura, because I'm going to charge this. Best charge it.
Well, maybe we'll film the kitchen installation on the new camera.
Yeah, because that's a lot cheaper than the camera.
What, the kitchen? No, it's not.
Exactly. Where's the charger? There.
See, he's lost the charger already, everyone.
Go on, lead us out.
Thanks for watching, guys. If you've got anything else that you'd like James to spend his money on, because...
Our money on.
Yeah, what mine is yours only works one way.
Yeah.
I think. Let us know. You might know a better lens to use, or...
Yeah, I feel like this is a great kind of wide angle lens. Do I want something a bit kind of closer in for product shots and things like that?
Yeah, good point.
Maybe. Yeah, we'll keep growing it. I think this is a great starting point for hopefully much better videos.
I think it's nice to have a good camera collection.
Isn't
it?
It is impressive, isn't it? Right.
It's a bit of a handful, isn't it?
I'm going to go and play with my new camera. See you in a bit.
At least it's the camera you're playing with. We'll see you tomorrow, guys. Oh no, we won't. See you in 2 days' time.
2 days.